Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to view your story archives and posts. It is quite simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is head over to the Instagram app. Then want to go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Once you're here, in order to archive a post, all you need to do is select that post you want to archive. Click on the three lines in the top right corner of that post, then click on archive. Once you do this, it will take this post off of my actual profile, so I'd only have 4 posts at that point. You could then go to the 3 lines in the top right corner, click on archive. From here, it's going to show you stories, posts, whatever else. If you click on the top, as you can see, it'll show you a live archive, a post archive, and a stories archive. So click on stories and then click on posts. You can see they're both different. You can also change the date and the location on the stories as well. So that's how you check out the archives on Instagram. So I hope this video does help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. If you could you please subscribe? Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.